welcome to Humanism Total Nerdy channel. And this is a very much niche review, because I thought to include this first when I unboxed and give my first impression of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro phone, but I didn't, so here we have something, and there I am, hello, kind of. I bought this as well, optimized viewing angle clear view standing cover for Redmi Note 9S, N9 Pro, N9 Pro Max, different types. So it's basically a little cover thing made for this phone and some other models, because this Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro phone was included actually with this little gill shell when I bought it, but not in headset, so interesting choice. But, well, I've been using a gill shell forever, and I suppose it's nice because you can kind of, see the beautiful color of the phone. But I thought that I don't want to mess up my screen because I didn't want to have a screen protector. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know, when I bought this phone it seems that it was included with a little cover here for the screen that kind of protects it, so I didn't know that. So I bought this instead. So let us unbox this little thing here and take a little look. Here we have it. Interesting. It feels pretty. Oh, this is okay. This is some plastic thing that you'll need to remove. That makes it look fresh. All right. And we just have it there. So we remove it from the gill shell and just put it in here. Yeah, well, seems to be pretty. And we can see the screen through it. Not very much, but enough to show the time, I suppose. I suppose that's the... Okay. So, of course, this is moving a little bit back and forth like this. I think I would have wanted a little bit of a more sturdy fit, like this little screen cover actually can't flip around too much like it does. God, it definitely smells like very kind of cheap plastic. We have some kind of leather back to it as well, leathery feeling. I think it's leather, but it's plastic somehow. But it's a very good protector for the camera here, that I have to say. Yeah, well, we can also flip up the phone here, so you can see kind of has this interesting little I think this is a tiny magnet. It's very tiny. Well, it's definitely a wallet type, you know. It's kind of nice, but it feels pretty cheap as well. I'm not sure it's very good value for one's money or something, but anyways. We can put it up and have it like that, so we can kind of view the phone as some kind of screen like that, so that's one nice thing. But it would feel like you often kind of drop it like that. So, what can I say about this? Like this cover, it feels pretty cheap. It feels super cheap. I'm not sure if I will go this or I will use the gill shell. I don't think this will hold together that long either. Yeah, it was pretty cheap, but it wasn't this cheap. I thought I would get a little bit more quality for the price, you know. It's this feels too plasticky. It smells cheap and it moves around a little bit. So maybe it will be okay. Maybe it will be okay to use, but we'll see how much I'll actually use it, because as said, we have some, yeah. Well, that's a little very niche review of this Clearview standing cover. And I don't know if there are many similar products like this that are sold, or if it's only this one. I only found this one, but yeah. This one I can't recommend that much. Anyways, it's okay, but not very nice. And well, that's what I have to say about that, so I'll just say thanks a lot for watching, and if you do like the content, please do subscribe and like this video as well if it helped you in any way. So I'll see you next time. This is your host, Jim Odesen, signing out.